Ganda na. 3.4 gibugat ng damgo.
Okay, we're good. Nothing to worry about. Yay! Thank you, Lord. Pow! Chupaw! Chupaw, you're okay. Borlogs na naman.
Borlogs na naman si Shop.
Ang anak ni Kenny is always borlogs.
Of course. No hustle.
No hustle. Niya at midnight.
See me hustle.
Call center. Borlog sa umaga. Duty sa gabi. So, okay to siya, guys. Okay ang result. Di na may mag-worry. Among eyebags makarest na. Then, how are you feeling?
I'm always good.
Oh, eh.
Really?
Yeah. Grabe akong eyebags, oh. Eyebags na may konting tulog. We're going home.
Grab muna for now.
We're gonna come back January na. Alright, thank you, Lord. Say thank you.
Without Grab.
Without Grab.
Manifesting. Karon na uli nami mag DIY photoshoot. Hey, look at that. Kumusta ang atong photoshoot, Day? Hmm?